Okay, so welcome back. This is back on the BMW. I've had the throttle bodies off just before Christmas, and part of that is because I'm not sure if there's a bit of an air leak in one of the rubbers going in. So I ordered some second-hand inlet manifolds. I've taken the throttle bodies off, given them a good clean, and I've also got all the rubbers involved in the throttle bodies. And what we can do now is replace them, then hopefully put that back on the bike and see if that improves matters. I don't actually know, so this is a bit more of a voyage discovery than it is a definitive, this is how it's going to fix my problem. But since I don't know how old the rubbers are, and they're a relatively cheap thing to replace, and they are a consumable part, we'll get them done straight away. So, we give this a go. Let's start on this side. And I do think I have rubbers for everything. Let's get a pick in here to pull that out. That looks to be symmetrical in shape, so it shouldn't matter which way around it goes. Oh, that slots right in. That's easy. That's that. Same on this one. So that's gone in. Right. These just pop straight on. Now, all of these I picked up from Motorworks. They're all very affordable, which is quite nice. Now, these, I believe, place those. Oh, they are going to be a tight fit. I always thought picks were a bit a waste of money, but I'm not sure I'd be able to get it off easily without them. It's almost like I could do it with just a little screwdriver, but it is a lot easier when you have the right tool for the job. Well, these are just cheap US Pro ones, but they seem to work nicely. So it's not being able to get this one on. Okay, how we can do this. Okay, bring this that way around. Slot it in. Come on. Okay, that one's in. And they go through. Now I did remember when I took these off what the turns were, but I think that'll be inaccurate now. Where the bloody hell's it gone? There it is. What I'll just do is get them in place so I don't lose them. and then we'll tighten up when the appropriate time comes. Right. So next up, our throttle body rings. Sorry, not throttle body rings, the what do you call it? Injector. I am hoping the injectors aren't my issue. I've got a horrible feeling it's the fuel pump again, but it's odd that the new one can't even cope. It pushes straight on, that's nice and easy. Again, that's nice and easy. And that can just be screwed into place at the appropriate time. And then all we have are these final rings, which should go in here nice and smoothly. There we go. And that's all the rubber parts replaced. I've purposely not replaced the butterflies because it feels pretty good. And to be honest, I don't want to sink too much more money in. All of the rubbers there were basically £10 worth. And the new inlets, well, second-hand inlets that are in much more better condition than the ones I currently have, were again only another £10 on eBay. So for £20 it was worth investigating because this was torn on my previous on both sides, so that was worth doing. And it was all just a bit filthy, and there was a terrible tear in this, where again I think it could have been leaking air, and that could be what's making it fall out, but we shall see. Right, next job is to get it all onto the bike, and we'll take it from there. So we'll see you then.